Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple, cheap and effective moisture absorber for your ammo cans. What you're gonna need is a regular coffee filter, some white rice and some tape. What you're gonna do, you take your coffee filter and pour some rice into it, and then you fold it like this, and you take some tape and you tape it shut. It doesn't have to be pretty, but this works. Then you can just put it in your ammo can like any other moisture absorber or desiccant pack. If you do this and keep moisture out of your ammo can, your ammo will store for much longer, and you have less chance of having duds and such hang fires. This is at least how I do it. Instead of rice, you can also use oats or something like that. But rice works very well. This is a much cheaper alternative than store-bought moisture absorbers, and it works very well. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, and I also appreciate it if you subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.